Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today I want to show you how to change the resolution on the GoPro Hero 8. So basically turn it on the side here. Once it turns on, we want to unlock the screen. So swipe down, press the lock. And then when we hit here, basically let's say we're in standard, we press the pencil and you can go to resolution frame rate. So here you have 4K 4.3, which is the more boxy old TV sort of style, 2.7K 4.3, 1440p, which basically is 432. Then you have the 4K, which is 16:9, which is the normal TV, YouTube sort of video, 2.7K and 180. So for example, 4K, they give me the frame rates. If I go to 2.7, they give me up to 120 frame rates, and 180 gives me up to 240 frames per second. So if you want 4K, that's how you want like it. If you want 4K but you want the more boxy look, you can go there, and that's how you change the resolution. As you can see, you have 6 different options that are basically 16:9 or 4:3. So 4K, for example, and if we like 4K, we can just swipe and go backwards, then it's in 4K, and we can start recording in 4K 30p right now. So yeah, that's how you change your resolution on your GoPro Hero 8 for video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.